Chapter 8. More on Visual Studio 2019. You will learn about Picture Box Control, List Box Control, Combo Box Control, Check Box Control, Radio Button Control. In the previous chapter, you have learned about Visual Basic, its IDE, and some controls used in Visual Basic for creating an application. In this chapter, you will learn about some more controls which can also be used for designing an application. Let's learn about them. Picture Box Control. It is a control in VisualBox 2019 that is used to display images. This control does not display any image when you add it in the form. Rather, it only shows a rectangular boundary that only depicts the area which is to be covered by the image. Picture Box Control contains the image property to specify the image for this control. Following are the steps to add an image in the form by using this control. 1. First, insert a Picture Box Control on the form simply by dragging it from the toolbox. 2. Now, click on the arrow at the top right corner of the picture box. A small pop-up window will open up named Picture Box Tasks. 3. From this window, you can select the size mode which takes care of how the image will be placed in the Picture Box Control and can change the size of image so that it can fit in the picture box. The size mode contains various options given below. Normal mode, it places the image in the upper left corner of the picture box, and if image is not fitting in the frame, then some part of image is cropped. Stretch image. It helps the image to stretch or shrink according to the size of Picture Box Control. Auto size. It causes the Picture Box Control to resize so that image can fit inside it always. Center image. It causes the image to be placed in center in Picture Box Control. Zoom. It also helps the image to be stretched or shrink so as to get fit inside picture box. However, the aspect ratio in the original is maintained. 4. After selecting the size mode, now choose the image to be displayed in Picture Box Control by clicking on Choose Image option. 5. It will open the Select Resource dialog box from which first you select the Local Resource Radio button and then click on the Import button. 6. It will bring up the Open dialog box where you can view all the available image files in your local drives. 7. Finally, select the image of your choice and click on Open button. It shows you the preview of selected image in Select Resource dialog box. Then click on OK. 8. The image will get displayed in the picture box as shown in figure. Note: you can also choose image for the Picture Box Control from the Properties window of the control. The name of the property is Image, which helps you to select image. Loading an image at runtime. One way of loading an image in Picture Box Control you have learned. This is another way of loading an image which is being done at runtime, that is, when your application executes. The From File method of the image control is used to load an image at runtime. Example: add the following code on the form1_load parenthesis method. Private subform1_load, sender as object, E as event args, handles my base. Load picturebox1.image equals image.fromFile C drive users 1 documents Visual Studio 2019 images vb1.jpg. End sub. The above example will display the specified image in the form on running the program. The path of the image should be written correctly in order to display the image. List Box Control. The function of the list box in Visual Basic 2019 is to display a list of items. The user can click and select the items from the list. The items of the list box control can be added and deleted either at design time or run time. Adding items to a list box at design time. Following are the steps to add items at design time. 1. Create a new project and add a list box control on the form. 2. To access the Properties window, you can also right-click on the list box. 3. Next, locate the items properly and click on Button. 4. It will open the string collection editor whereby you can enter the items of list one by one by typing the text and pressing the Enter key. 5. After finishing adding items, click on OK button. You will see that the items will be added in the list box control. Adding items in a list box at runtime. Items in a list box can also be added at runtime by using the add parenthesis method. Use the following syntax to add an item to a list box. Listbox1.items.add into parenthesis text in double quotes. You can enable the user to add their own items through an input box method. To use this, simply insert a button named Add at design time in your form with a list box and add the following code in button_click event. Brain dose. The keyword dim is used to declare the variable. Deleting items from a list box. To delete items from a list box at design time, simply open the string collection editor and delete the items either by one line at a time or all at once using the delete key. To delete an item from a list box at runtime, you can use the remove method. Its syntax is as listbox1.items.remove into parenthesis text in double quote. Example, in the above created form, add another button named delete and add the following code on click event of delete button to remove items from a list